In our new product of Price Insights, you can see the categories and you can select which product you want to see information about. We will stick with apples. Here you can see that we have 16 markets reporting apple prices to our Price Insights, the global average for apples, and the current price range from the cheapest to the most expensive apple listed here. You can filter by any column, like product name, to see all the same categories of apples, by market to see all the apples in the same category, in the same market, and even by weekly change, so that you can see the change from the previous week in the specific apple and market. So we also have historical price trends, where you can see the historical trends of specific countries aggregated into one chart. And also we have the market view, where you can see all the products that the specific market has. For example, here we have Athens Central Market, or we can see the Spanish market, where you can filter again by product, by weekly change, or by the comparison to the global average